I'm almost finished with the sonic audition of this new amplifier. This is a Class A amplifier and I call it Nathan XRA. And guys, if you are interested how I made the casing by drilling all of these holes, the front and the back, you can watch the Nathan XRA Class A power amplifier aluminum casing adventure.
Fill my heart with a song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. Fly me to the moon and let me sing among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, darling, kiss me. And let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you.
That's alright, it's finished lah. Finish the demonstration lah, okay? Many hobbyists, DIYers and professional can able to build an amplifier like this. This is my Nathan XR2 100 power amplifier, but you know, it lacks of MMI where you have only a push button in here. Well, it should have been better if we have an LCD display in here with several push buttons in here where you can actually adjust the volume, you can adjust some kind of equalization to compensate the inherent characteristic of the speaker, or anything that adds a value or adds some kind of a better interface or front funnel to the amplifier. This is why I rectify that with the lack of MMI in here with this new amplifier with Class A and implementing more man-machine interface gadgets like LCD, push button with some kinds of lights in here, and a better control to my Class A power amplifier. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to make use of microcontroller to control all the MMI interface gadgets. I know guys, most of you don't know how to make use of the microcontroller, which is why I'm making an effort to explain to you how to start up with a microcontroller even with a zero knowledge. You can watch my introduction in here. What's up guys, and in this video let's take a deeper technical know-how on the firmware programming with the Intel 8051 core